Welcome back to the Claude Code Changelog. Today, we are breaking down version 2.1.199, which brings stacked slash skills, immediate SSL error handling, and major subagent recovery fixes. Here is our agenda for today. We will look at how Claude now loads multiple skills at once, how SSL errors fail fast with helpful hints, how subagents handle rate limits gracefully, the new retry watchdog settings, and a critical fix for the Linux background daemon. First up, slash skills are now stackable. If you run a command like /skilla/skillb do XYZ, Claude Code will load up to 5 leading skills at once. Previously, it would only load the very first skill, ignoring the rest. Next, network troubleshooting gets a big upgrade. If you are behind a TLS-inspecting proxy or have expired certificates, Claude Code will no longer burn through your API retries waiting for a timeout. It now fails immediately and shows you a helpful hint to resolve the issue. Subagents are also much more resilient. If a subagent gets cut off by a rate limit or a server error, it will now return whatever partial work it completed back to the parent agent. Plus, API errors like reaching your usage limit are now correctly reported as failures instead of being misreported as successes. Transient rate limit errors, specifically 429 errors unrelated to your personal usage limit, are now automatically retried with backoff for subscribers. To support this, the retry watchdog environment variable now raises the default retry count to 300 and completely removes the old cap of 15. Finally, a major stability fix for Linux developers. If you experience the background daemon killing itself and all running agents every 50 seconds, that was due to a corrupted worker record left behind by an unclean shutdown. This release completely resolves that crash loop. Other fixes in this release include keeping partial streaming responses during server errors, fixing Mac OS SSH cold start issues, ensuring the stop command overrides responds, showing hook standard error on code 2 exits, and auto-allowing read-only browser batch calls in plan mode. That is it for version 2.1.199. Make sure to run Claude Update to get these latest fixes. Subscribe for more unofficial Claude Code updates, and we will see you in the next release.